Hey everyone. Okay, so it's Amy Leone here, and I am here because several of you, many of you have been asking me to do um, kind of a basic Canva tutorial, how to work it. So Canva, let me just tell you, has been adding so many new options and so many things in here that it is really an amazing tool to use. So if you haven't, the best thing you can do is just get on and start playing around with it. But I'm going to go ahead and show you just a real super basic graphic that I'm going to make today because I have a need to make this graphic. So I figured I might as well record this and show you guys. So when you go to canva.com, this is the first thing that you see here. You will see down here are some templates that you can start to use. I pretty much mostly use these three right here. I use Flyer a lot, Facebook post, and Instagram post. You can also come up here and click custom dimensions if you have a specific dimension that you want to do. You can go by pixels or by inches. So if you want to do like an 8 by 8, switch it to inches. If you know your pixels, you can do that and create, and it'll set it up for you. So these are your templates. And then down here, once you start designing your own things, you will see your designs are all in here. So here is, I don't know if I think somebody else created that and I just had to fix it and expand it for the banner size. Here's some fundraisers that I did, some graphics that I made, this little cutie pie. So these are all of the graphics that I have made at some point or another. So for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead with Facebook posts. So I'm going to click right there. And I'm going to use some graphics from 31 that I saved to my computer already. So to do that, I need to upload those graphics into Canva. Canva already does have lots of things in here that you can use. So let's say like I want to do something with a unicorn. You can type in unicorn up here. Oh, that's in templates. I'm sorry. They changed a little bit of stuff around. I think it would be in here under elements, unicorn. And you'll see all these things pop up of unicorns. Some of them are free to use. Some of them cost per use. And Canva also has an upgrade version as well. I am just using the free version, not the paid version, because I have not had a need yet to upgrade. But I'm not doing unicorns today. That's cute. So today I'm using my own graphics. So I'm going to upload. And then you'll see down here are all of the images that I have uploaded in the past. So here's like some of our products over here, some backgrounds that are really pretty to use. Products galore. Just, some fun stuff that I have used in the past to make my graphics. So I need to upload an image. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick, it was a bunch of these. And you'll see them start uploading. Okay, so what I'm doing is I just earned this bad boy here for free. This was an incentive that 31 is having, and I just earned this bag. So I want to figure out how I want to personalize it. This one doesn't have anything on it. I don't need that one. If you can see, there's A's on all of these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my VIP group, which one should I do? Okay, so hold on. Let me slow down. What I did was simply click it, and it pops up over here. Now this is too big because I want to fit all 5 of these. I don't need the 6th one. I want to fit all 5 of these on here somehow. So I'm going to drag a corner and I'm going to scale it down. You want to drag a corner because if you drag the side, you just cut out, okay? I can also undo. Up here is undo and redo. So I'm going to take my corner again and I'm going to go, excuse me, 1, 2. So we got orange, we got dark olive. This one is white. Now I got to fit 5 of them on here. So I might go just a wee bit smaller because this will appear bigger when it's actually the post. Go yellow. I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that in just a minute. And then lastly, this beautiful dusty rose. I'm not joking. I can't decide which one I should do. I apologize. It's a rainy day, so allergies are in full force. Now, you see how this is covering up over here? I'm going to shrink it down just a little bit more. You can change the position of this so I can make it go backwards. You see how it... All right, so if you think of it, each image that I put down is a new layer. So this was number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when I tell this to go back one position, it goes behind the last one that I did. I want it to go back again. It'll go behind this one now because that was the one before. And let me go backwards one more. It goes behind this one. And now it's not cut off on these corners from that. And I can just kind of move it around. You can see if I move it too far, it gets cut off again. So I'm just going to go like right here. Now I got to figure out what to do with this one. Now this one, I want to go back just one. But you see there's not quite enough room. So I got to play a little bit. I'm just going to kind of shrink these down just a little bit more. And then let's put that back again. Forward again. All right, well, I don't know if there is an actual erase tool. So I'm just going to shrink it down. I know the other program I use has a great erase tool, but for the sake of this, I actually think that looks better anyways. It's not quite so crowded. Now I want to number them so that it's really easy for my members to say, I like number 1, I like number 2. So what I'm going to do now is go text, add, and I'm going to say number 1. Now, this is in black. I want it to be bigger. So now when I click on this text box, all my options appear up here. Here's all my fonts. I want a nice big bold one. I'm going to go with that. And then my size, I want a little, let's go a little bigger. Let's go like 30. Nope, way bigger. Let's go 48. That's not bad. And I think I might just keep it black, but if I want to change it, I could pick all these colors down here. And these are the colors I use most frequently. So I have them set up as my brand colors, okay? So then I'm going to click on that again, wait for my little crosshairs to come up, and that means I can move it. So I'm going to go number 1. And then instead of clicking over and over and over, I can just copy this, and it'll keep the font, the color, the size, and all I need to do is change it to a 2. Three, 4, and 5. It's going to bug me that this one is bigger and this one is smaller. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Okay, that's good enough. Now back to my uploads. Somewhere way down here I have my little watermark. Way down. I need to clean this out. Don't be like me and hoard everything. I don't need to keep all of it, but I do need to find a way to easily clean it out. Okay, let's see. It's right after the watermelon. And I probably can have my logo saved in an easier spot to get to. I'm sure. It's on my to-do list, I promise. But right now, I just scroll. And it usually doesn't take this long. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. So now my logo is here. I'm going to scrunch it down just a bit like that. I'm going to stick it right there. And I'm going to do that. You see how I purposely put it a little bit on the bag and in this kind of an image area, because then it's not easy for somebody to come in and cover up my watermark, because crazy people do that. And it's not cool to take someone's work and call it your own. So I always try and set it in a way that it's not easy for somebody to take off. Okay, so then what you want to do is save it. And I'm going to be honest. All right, here it is, download. I haven't been on Canva in a couple days, and apparently it is updated. I know that I had heard the 2.0 version was here, and mine has automatically updated. So I'm a little bit like, where are things? Things move just a little bit, but it looks really cool. I'm digging it. All right, so I'm going to download. You can choose to do it as a PNG, a JPEG, and a PDF. I usually do either a PNG or a JPEG, really. For me, it doesn't make a huge difference. If I'm making a file, I would do a PDF. But I'm going to go like this. I'm going to hit download. Preparing. And you always have a fun little quote here. Okay, I don't need this right now. So now, when I go back to my main page, I'm going to hit refresh. You will see that it's going to become part of my designs now. It should. Oh, the only other thing I forgot to mention, you see this little one here? It automatically named my file one because that's the first text that I typed. So I'm going to change this over to the away for the weekender, which is the super adorable name of this brand new bag that I just earned. This is going to be coming out in March, y'all. Isn't it great? I mean, this bag literally screams like, I'm going on vacation. I'm packing up and I'm heading somewhere warm, which right now I need because we are in the thick of winter. I really shouldn't complain. It hasn't been that bad of a winter. So now it's saved as that. I'm going to download it one more time just because I want it on my computer. All right, so this isn't showing, but you will see that once you create your graphics, it will update in your designs, and you'll have that graphic to use, to share with people, to update again later. Some graphics I use over and over. See how I updated the name here, Away for the Weekender. So that's my really simple, quick way to create your first graphic. So get on in there, have some fun with it. Let me know if you have questions, and we will chat later. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.